Set.
So they're sent away. The Class 2 boys 400-meter hurdles. It looks to be a pretty even start for all 8 boys. On the outside, Porter from Kingston College is going well. Inside, Willis of Calabar is also there. Way out in lane number 8 is Ramsey from St. Jago. Inside, Porter from Kingston College. Hansen from Denby with a slight advantage. Willis from Calabar. Porter from Kingston College stutters towards that hurdles. On the inside in lane number 2, it's Burke from St. Jago who is flying. It's Burke and Willis. St. Jago and Calabar. Burke with the lead. Calabar trying to come back. One barrier to clear. Calabar through Willis. Steps to the front and will get the win ahead of the St. Jago athlete Burke. Porter comes through for third. 52.69 for Willis. Tells them to calm down. What a run that was from Willis from Calabar.
All right.